Create a high-converting landing page. This is one of the most important videos in this training. You can create the best Udemy training course ever, but if your landing page sucks, then you will make very few sales, if any. Udemy will provide the exposure for your course. We recommend that you do more than this in a later video. But if your landing page doesn't convert, it will all be a waste of time. There are many examples of average and even poor quality products selling well due to good marketing. Now, we are in no way condoning that you create an average or low-quality course, but we want you to understand how important marketing your course well is. If you make a lot of sales through your landing page and your course is really engaging and people complete it, then Udemy will reward you with even more exposure. Udemy is a business first and foremost, and they want you to achieve high conversions so that they make money too. Their whole system is geared up to send the maximum amount of visitor traffic to the courses with the highest conversion rates. So, if you want all of the exposure that Udemy can give you, then you need to pay special attention to your landing page. There are 4 elements to your landing page, which are 1. Your course title and subtitle, 2. Your promo videos, 3. Your student goals, 4. Your course description. To familiarize yourself with these elements, find a course with a lot of reviews on Udemy and check everything out. Your course title and subtitle. We already discussed this in the outline video earlier. Your title and subtitle are critical for conversions. They are usually the first things that a potential customer will see when they get to your landing page. You have seconds to make a good impression when someone sees your landing page. So, your title and subtitle really need to inspire the visitor to find out more and watch your promo video. Your promo video. Promo videos are very important. Udemy's own research tells them that an effective promo video is as much as 10 times more likely to persuade a potential to purchase a course. Most Udemy instructors get this all wrong and see the promo video as a chore that they need to complete rather than a great marketing tool. A lot of Udemy instructors are actually teachers and do not have much marketing sense. You need to be different and have your marketing hat on when you are creating your promo video and all the other elements of your landing page. The most effective promo videos are short, between 90 seconds and 2 minutes. Don't underestimate the power of this short video. When you create a good one, it will dramatically increase your chances of making sales. This is what you should include in your promo video. The benefits, questions, language. You did a lot of research to find the best idea for your Udemy video, so refer back to your notes on this to create these 3 things. Your promo video needs to resonate with potential customers, and if they like the benefits your course will offer, then they are much more likely to purchase your course. Your student goals. Think of your student goals as the milestones that they will pass on their journey to the desired result that you have promised them. The goals must correspond to the sections of your course. Potential students will be thinking, what will I be able to do after I join this course? What they are really asking is, what results will I get? People take Udemy courses because they want to change their lives. They want to acquire new skills that will make their lives better. So you need to describe each one of your student goals in action terms. A bad student goal example is, you will learn the basics of WordPress. A good example is, you will create a WordPress blog in a few hours. The second example is all about the result. You are telling your prospects what they will be able to do after purchasing your course. So, you need to create all of your student goals around practical applications and results. Your course description. If you don't want to make any sales of your course, then create a general description for it like a lot of Udemy instructors do. But if you want to make a lot of sales, then treat your description as another sales opportunity like everything else on your landing page. A persuasive course description will help convert more visitors to your landing page into customers. So you need to use your description to address the core issues of your target audience. You need to address their desires. You need to address their fears. You need to answer their questions. And you need to do all these things using the same language that they do, which you uncovered in your research. Be prepared to spend a good deal of time creating your landing page. It will pay you back over and over in the future. You might not get it right the first time around, so you can try to improve it regularly and see if the conversions increase. Do a review of your landing page at least 3 times a year. Other landing page considerations. You will need to provide an image for your course. This is shown in the top left-hand corner of your landing page. If you're not good at graphic design, then use a freelancing website like Fiverr.com and spend a few bucks on having a great image created. Whatever you do, don't use an amateur-looking image for your course. It will drive people away in droves. You will also need to complete an author profile. Use a high-quality photograph of yourself here smiling and looking confident. Tell your potential customers why you are the best person to teach this course. Talk about your experience and how you have achieved results, etc. You need to use your profile to build authority and trust. Write your profile in the third person and not the first person. How much should you charge for your Udemy course? Find out in the next video. Pricing your Udemy course. The pricing of your Udemy course can make or break it. A few years ago, Udemy placed a cap on course pricing so that the maximum cost for any course was just $50. This caused outrage among many instructors who had priced their courses at hundreds of dollars. At the time of creating this training, the cap is now $199.99. This can change, so check here. To charge for your courses, which you want to, of course, you will need to become a premium instructor. You need to make an application to Udemy for this. Don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds, by going here. You will need to be logged into your Udemy account to make this application. It will take Udemy a couple of business days to get back to you. Udemy set out their guidelines for course pricing here. You need to know a couple of things about the way that Udemy operates before you make a decision on the price of your course. 1. They experiment with pricing a lot. 2. They provide giveaway coupons. Udemy can do these things because they are the biggest and have the most traffic. Don't let these facts deter you from making money on Udemy. Setting the price for your course. The list price you set for your course really doesn't matter that much. Why? Because almost every sale that you make will come through a fixed price promotion Udemy is running between $10 and $15. At the time of creating this training, the $11.99 price is very popular. You still need to choose a list price for your course, though. There are two things that you need to take into consideration here. 1, what you consider your course to be worth. 2, how your list price compares to similar courses. When considering what your course is worth, look at the value that you believe it offers and the number of hours of video that it has. If you only have around 3 to 5 hours of video, then you might want to consider a list price of around $50 to $70. For 15 hours of video, for example, this is a higher value course, so price it from $140 to $180. Take a look at competing courses and check out their list prices. They will all be subject to Udemy's promotional discount prices as well, but it is worth comparing to get an idea for your list price. One other thing to take into consideration is the revenue share arrangements with Udemy, which we will cover next. Udemy Instructor Revenue Share. Here's a summary of the revenue share that you can expect as a Udemy instructor. Instructor coupon sales. You can create a discount coupon for your course, which cannot be lower than $9.99. You can then use this in direct marketing. Udemy pays you 97% of the revenue here. There is a 3% admin fee. Organic through Udemy. When a sale is made organically through Udemy, you receive 50% of the revenue. No instructor coupons are involved here. If a sale is made via a Udemy app for iOS or Android, then Apple or Google charge a 30% fee on the total sale. Affiliate sales. Udemy has a number of affiliates promoting courses. With an affiliate sale, you receive 25% of the revenue. Udemy deals. Udemy has a deals program, and if you opt in, then they can reduce the price of your course to $10, and here you will receive 50% of the revenue. You can check for any changes to the revenue policy here. Now, it is time to set up your pre-launch sales funnel. Create a pre-launch sales funnel for your Udemy course. Before you officially launch your course on Udemy, we recommend that you set up a sales funnel and build an initial audience and potential pool of customers. Your aim with your funnel is to drive potential customers to your Udemy landing page after you have officially launched your course. Here's what we recommend that you do. Build an email list. Use an autoresponder service such as aweber.com to create an email list of potential customers for your course. You can create a landing page to offer an incentive for visitors to join your list. Then, you can send emails to them with tips and remind them about your course. Have a web presence. If you don't have a website or blog, then you need to create one. You want to use this to build your personal brand and include links to your course and your email sign-up page. Get on YouTube. Set up a YouTube channel and create a few quick tutorials on your subject. You could also upload part of your lessons on your YouTube channel. Add a link in the description to your Udemy course so that people can get the whole story. Create a Facebook page. Set up a Facebook page around your subject and add posts about it. Join Facebook groups. Join related groups on Facebook and interact with other members. Connect with bloggers. Reach out to bloggers in your niche for sharing a free version of your course with their readers. You can also set up a mini course, more on this later, and ask bloggers to share this. Use other social media channels. Set up a Quora account and answer questions. Set up accounts on Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever your audience hangs out, and make posts and interact with others to build a following. Use free coupons. Set up and send out free coupons for your course to your audience. Always set an expiry date of a couple of days so that it prompts people to take action fast. The reason that you want to do this is that you will get fast course enrollments and reviews. This will help to get your course onto the Udemy homepage. Create a free mini course. Many successful Udemy instructors have used this tactic. Here you will make 3 to 5 short lessons about your subject and then use it to gain email subscribers by sharing it on your website, social media, with other bloggers, etc. In your email sequence, you want to offer a free or discounted coupon to enroll in your Udemy course. Provide your email subscribers with some value as well in your emails. You can also offer people a bonus lesson in exchange for a discounted coupon for your Udemy course. Time now to launch and promote.